Hello, everyone. This is an overview of the team Access Griefing client, which is coded by me and should be 0. Still needs quite a bit of work, honestly, but we already released the first version, not publicly. We don't plan to publicly release this for a little bit because we want to add some more features. Client is looking pretty nice though. I'll show you the quick GUI. It needs a little bit of work. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Cotton candy is a joke. I'm gonna tell you that right now. It's really bad looking, but it is a joke. And if I'm talking kind of quietly, it's because it's early in the morning, and yeah, I'm just kind of still a little tired. So yeah, cotton candy is a joke. So yeah, that will be removed probably by the time you get the client, if you do get the client. Packet sneak is packet sneak. If you right click these, you can edit the values if it has a plus on it, which is kind of nice, so we can change packet. The actually only way to change the values for some of these, for example x-ray, if you were to toggle x-ray right now, and if you were to remove iron, you still see iron there. Well, the only way to do it is to toggle on and off, but hopefully by the time you see this, that will be fixed. No big deal. That should be easy to code. Yeah, so you can also turn off the ESP of the nuker here. And where's the here, UI. You can change the UI and the way it looks. Revolution. As you can see, it gets darker down the array list, and you also have this little thing, this little mod menu, which is kind of based off of Revolution, which is a Black Ops 2 mod menu thing, I believe. I really don't know. I don't really play that much of it, so yeah. Okay, Reliant kind of looks a little bit like Reliant, not quite. Needs a little bit of fixing, but hey, it's there. This is laced. I can toggle some mods, and it has an array list and stuff. And Rubix has this mod menu, but sometimes if you can't scroll left and right through the mod menu, you have to hit the up arrow twice and it will reappear and you can scroll through it. But yeah, it works. It just lists off the keybind and and stuff. So yeah, hopefully you get more commands in this client. There's not very many commands, but if I do #help, it will get me through 2 commands, and probably by the time the client is released, if it does get released, kind of unsure at this point, but probably will get released. Only #help, and obviously I already did that. #theme, #theme list. It brings up the list of themes, which are also in the GUIs, so there's no reason to really do it from there, but why not? It's an extra command that works, so people don't want to get in the GUI and click it. They can just type it if they wanted to. Excuse me, sorry if you heard that. Auto tool, it works, yeah. Let me get some tools. Diamond, it doesn't auto sword though. It doesn't work for swords, like if you're fighting somebody. It only works with tools, yeah. So yeah, that works. 1 second. And yeah, it changes to that. So yeah, it works. No fall. That works, but obviously doesn't bypass no cheat. Most of these do not bypass no cheat because we have not been focusing on bypasses yet. But hopefully we will later in the client. But yeah, it works. Fast place. Game mode C. Let's get some. There we go. It works. There we go. That works. Okay. Glide. Yep, I'm gliding down slowly. And ESP renders ESP around the around the whatever you have it set as, and you can right click it and change the mode or whatever. So I can change this to outline, and change it to box mode or how I want it. So yeah, I like that personally. That looks good in my opinion, but I'm not a big fan of the colors. But you know, that's just how it rolls, I guess. I didn't code that. I wasn't really focusing on the ESP part of the client because, yeah, the ESP ESPs, where most should be 0 pretty much coded all these ESPs, but yeah. This is chest ESP. I believe it's different for trap chests. I don't remember. No, it's not different for a trap chest, but if you get an ender chest, it's different. I know that for a fact. Yeah, it's purple. That's what I thought. Okay, so that works. Name tags. I might actually be able to show you that. I'll go on a server real quick. Actually, no, not this server. We'll go on this server, because that server is what I griefed earlier, and hopefully that'll be on YouTube, but my friend's in the process of editing it. So yeah, as you can see, name tags works. It renders that thing on him. So yeah, it works. What else? Manage accounts. Yeah, this is the alt manager. Random does not work right now, and might or might not work by the time you get it. But focusing on a lot of other things, so who knows? But yeah, it works. So if I go to cracked name and add it, oh, what? Okay, I thought that worked, but evidently it does not. So you might be able to direct. I thought that worked, but oh yeah, it works if you direct connect. So we'll have to fix that, where you can add it if it's cracked account to the main menu. I mean, in the alt list. I'm not sure why it didn't let me do that. It was working earlier, so yeah. And then that's the alt manager. Keep sprint, auto sprint. Keeps your sprint and automatically sprints for you, so you don't have to do that. That's honestly, I use it a lot. You wouldn't think that you would, but you do. Flight, yeah, that's flight. It works. Does not bypass no cheat, of course. No push is pretty much where if in 1.9 if two players go into each other, it like moves them, because you can't literally go and a player. So what this does is it makes it able for people to go through players, and it works. I can't show you, but it works. Trust me. V-clip teleports you up. As you can see, spamming the button. Yeah, step does not bypass no cheat, but hopefully that should be an easy make for a bypass. Shouldn't be too difficult. And yeah, as you see, it works. Not changeable for the step height yet. Hopefully that'll be soon. That's pretty easy to add, so I wouldn't see why it wouldn't be by the time you get the client. Packet sneak. I can't actually show you, but I am sneaking. It's server-sided, not client-sided, so yeah. If I turn off packet sneak and then toggle it again, it should put me, yeah, see? Puts me in regular, okay. Let's see what else we have. I believe that's it, really. Yeah, that's really it. Oh, this says B2, but I have my coding workspace out here, and we changed it to B2 because we're working on B2, but this is really B1 because we haven't really added any features since. Oh, the only feature that we're in the process of adding right now is this. Probably should have showed you this, but it's in the process. It's not, yeah, IRC. It's in the process of, it's not going to look like that and stuff, but I literally just transferred over some older code, so it's quite, yeah, it's quite bad right now, and it's not quite functional. Like, we can't ban people in game yet, but if they're spamming in the IRC or stuff. So we'll add that soon. And the client should be ready for release once we get more mods, and make the GUI a little bit more themable, because right now, or not themable, but yeah, I guess themable, because we want to make it so it will resize the components for each theme and stuff, but I kind of want to do that. I could probably do that in my spare time whenever I get around to it. And then we also want to add more mods, because we're not quite loaded with mods. As you can see, we've got like 20 mods and not very many bypass. So once the mod quality, the quality of the mods get up, and we've got a stable release for you guys, because right now we just coded this like it took us 2 weeks to code this much, so we've been pretty satisfied. And yeah, we've been coding more on the external, or not external, but like the looks and the graphic user interfaces and stuff like that, which I really like our Click GUI. I just don't like how it's the default Minecraft font, but that sure is fixable. this is his default theme. He likes it, so I mean that's fine. I like it. In my opinion, it's better if it has custom font. But yeah, that's the reason we added themes, because then we can change through the themes and people can change it to how they like it. But yeah, oh, I forgot to mention one thing in the Lutryx UI is to open the Lutryx UI, you have to actually right click here. There's no like actual button to extend it, which yeah, I kind of don't like that, but you know, he liked that better. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content. And yeah, that's pretty much the B1 overview. And yeah, hopefully our grief will be up earlier or later today, because we really destroyed a server. We just absolutely demolished the server last night. It was a lot of fun. I hope you guys stay tuned for that video. That should come out later today. And yeah, so we'll see you later, guys. Bye.